This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all French champagne wines. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the champagne house founded by Joseph Krug in 1843. Yes, that's a little while ago, in the city of Reims, in the Champagne wine region of France. This champagne brand that belongs to the Louis Vuitton Moet Hennessy company, together with other famous champagne brands such as Moet Chandon, Veuve Clicquot or Ruinart. We are looking at how to pronounce Krug Champagne. Krug Champagne. How do you say Krug? Well, simply Krug. Krug Champagne. If you cannot pronounce the French art, say Krug Champagne, Krug Champagne. But the typical French pronunciation, Krug, Champagne, Krug. Un verre de vin, Champagne, Krug, s'il vous plaît. Krug Champagne, one of the most famous of all and one of the most expensive of all champagne wines. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.